So it's really not surprising that people are drawn towards plant medicine at this time when there is a calling from the spirit to remember, to break out of the materialization or the calcified cages that we can sometimes live in within our own bodies and minds. And as somebody who's trauma informed, I think it's really important that people are actually aware at a DNA level the potential, and at a psyche level, at a soul level, the potential damages of constant plant medicine ceremonies or specific plants, which, if there's not a very good foundation, can actually further fracture somebody and make them worse. I've seen bufo and iboga have a pretty fragmenting effect on people without a solid level of embodiment or nervous system regulation. And when you do this over and over and over again, you are literally hammering at and kind of destroying the lower strands of the DNA. You're shooting yourself up, you're opening up the higher dimensional strands of the DNA, but then every time you drop back in, because there's no foundation, you're actually destroying the embodiment. So people will get better sometimes for a short period of time, and then things will get worse again because nothing was integrated, or they'll literally just be more fragmented afterwards.